I'm excited about getting my hair back.
Ken has been asking me for years, please do my hair transplant. What is it? The cobbler's kids have no shoes? The hair transplant technician's husband has no hair.
One of the reasons that I've decided to do this now is because I noticed a video at church, and the videographer was behind me and scanned the congregation, and I noticed this guy with a bald head. I pointed out to my wife, I said, who is that guy?
He was like, oh man, look at that poor guy. You can see his bald spot.
And then I realized about the same time that it was me. I just don't feel like I look like myself anymore. I've chosen to do multi-unit hair grafting at the advice of my wife. She's been a hair restoration technician for 30 years. I'm actually going to be getting a lot more hair this way.
We offer a variety of options, but for Ken, we're doing multi-unit hair grafting. Ken has specifically a larger area to fill in, and his hair's a finer texture, so he needs more density and more grafts, so this technique is better suited for his type of hair loss. We can get more hair and more coverage in one procedure.
Okay, you go, Kim.
No, don't show.
Yes.
So you can always know.
Let him re-prepare, I mean.
You never got to this.
Good look.
Yeah.
That's what I was going to look like without a hair transplant.
Exactly.
I am a business owner, and I do meet with clients quite often, so therefore my appearance is very important for me and my company to represent us in the best way possible.
I think it became really obvious, especially for Ken, is when our daughter got married 2 years ago.
I don't take a lot of pictures. I've kind of shied away from it for a long time. When my daughter got married, those were pictures that were necessary. When the wedding photos came back, I just noticed that in those pictures that the hair just wasn't there anymore.
He was so concerned with his hair that I was like, okay, this is what I do, and my husband wants hair, and I need to be supportive of this. So we've been kind of waiting till the end of his season, and it's now. And so we're doing it.
Kim talked to our daughter Lauren and said, Dad's getting his hair transplant on Tuesday. And she said, can they get him in on Monday? When this procedure's over with, I think what I'm hoping to find is that as I comb my hair in the morning, after I get out of the shower, is that there's hair to comb. Right now it's somewhat of a comb over, just looking to have hair to comb again.